Well, I'm out here on Bulldog Canyon Trail this morning. Just finished airing down, and it's been raining the last week or so. A lot of the trails are closed, they're flooded, but this one's open. This is one of my favorites, and I wanted to get out here not just for some trail time, but to talk about the RT111 Rocktrix wheels I've been running on the Jeep for the last couple of months. Some of you have been asking, Caleb, how they holding up? How do you like them? Well, we're going to talk about that today, as well as just enjoy some of this beautiful scenery out here. Stay tuned. Man, my face says it all right now. I'm so happy to be out here. It's been a minute. The work and life just been busy lately, and so having a few hours to get out here and enjoy even a trail like this that I've done before, it doesn't get old. I mean, out here, the saguaro cacti up against the backdrop of the Superstition Mountains, it's just beautiful. I've also got the Zoleo here with me today, first time having it out on the trail, and just good peace of mind knowing I can text my wife or she can text me even without cell service. So what do I think of the Rocktrix RT111s now that they've been on the Jeep for a couple of months? I still really like them. I like them a lot. The initial trails that I've hit, they've been great. On-road performance has been great. The real durability question is, how are they going to hold up a year or two down the road? And well, time will tell. I mean, I'm not planning on taking them off the Jeep anytime soon. I hope to run these for a while. So we'll see how they hold up long term. But initially, they've held up well, except for one thing, and I'm going to point that issue out here in a minute, because I think there's one aspect of these wheels that is not going to be for everybody. But let's talk about some of the features that I really do like about these wheels. Okay, the first thing that I got to point out is just the styling. I love a classic, this is kind of the bullet hole style wheel, very similar to like some of the Method wheels and things like that. So it's just a real classic, kind of timeless style. I really like that. This is a fake beadlock, so that those bolts aren't real, and I like just a standard wheel for my usage. I'm not interested in beadlocks. I could take or leave the fake beadlock look. Not really a strong opinion one way or the other. I do love that the ring, the fake ring here, it's not fake in the sense that it is really thick and it's built in. These are one-piece cast aluminum CNC machined wheels, and that fake beadlock ring is really thick and would provide, I think, a lot of protection against hits from rocks and other things on the trail. So I do like that it's got a beefy lip on it. But yeah, the style is great. I also really like the aggressive offset. So these are 4.5-inch backspace and a negative 12 millimeter offset. It's hard to find a wheel that works with 37s, even if your geometry's set up right, like my Jeep is. I've got full control arms and I've got things dialed in suspension wise, but it's still, even with 3.5 inches of lift, it's hard to find a wheel, especially a non-beadlock wheel, that will keep you from rubbing on the main frame rail there. So these wheels do that, and no adapters needed, which is great. They provide just enough of an offset to fit a set of 37s under there, even these mud terrains. with no rubbing, which is awesome. Okay, now for the con of these wheels that I've found so far, and that is the durability of the finish. It is not a very durable finish. Even the couple of trails that I've been on, you can already see some rock rash on these, which is fine. My Jeep is scratched up and it's not a garage queen by any means. So I don't care that the wheels will look aged more quickly. But for some people, that's a big deal. I mean, even just from the machine at the tire shop that mounted the tires when the wheels were brand new, that machine scuffed up the ring on the outside of these wheels. So the finish could be a lot more durable, in my opinion. Again, some people will care about that. In my case, it's not a big deal, but it's something to note. Despite the finish quality not being great, I would totally buy these wheels again. So far, again, I really like them. I'll leave a link to these down below. I think you'll be impressed with the price point of these wheels and the features. Definitely check them out if you're looking for a wheel that would support a larger tire and have enough offset that you most likely won't need any adapters, which is awesome. Well, hey, I'm going to go finish this trail. So thanks for coming along on this video. It was great having you. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for liking it and subscribing and sharing these videos. It all helps these videos reach more people, and it's an awesome way to support the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.